how to upload pictures to Pinterest. So if you want to upload pictures to Pinterest, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Pinterest application. You can create a collage or you can create a Pinterest board. So you need to go with class which is on the bottom, and here you will have either pin, collage or board. So if you don't want to upload a single pin, then you can go with collage or you can go with board. So in my case, I'll just simply go with pin. Now it will open up your gallery. You need to go and select photo or a video that you would like to upload. Select and then go with next, which is on the top right. And here you need to enter the title, add a description, enter the title, add your link if you want to add this link. And then you can go and pick a board if you want to. You can go with your profile, and if you have any boards, you can go and pick a board and you can upload that on your board, or you can go with tag topics, tag products. You can schedule that post. And once done, you need to tap on create, which is on the bottom right, and it will create your Pinterest pin, which is it will create your pictures. So in this way, you'll be able to upload pictures to your Pinterest. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.